What up, everyone? It is your boy Zach. Number one most favorite, most number one Fauna fan. Number one most favorite, most number one Seahawks fan. Before I start the video, subscribe and turn on notifications. Hit that like button and comment down below I subscribed, and I will give you a shout out. And let's get straight into this. This is remodeling our house part 8, but it's about the furnace. These are just pellets. Oops, sorry. I'm just trying to show the fans really quick. Oh, there he is. My dad is like, I don't want to be in the video. Well, you know what? You're in one. Sorry. Okay, go for it. Okay, let me... Okay. Go for it. Oh, I'll watch it. I'll put it up close here. Oh, here's some more. It's going. There he is. Oh, there it is. It's going, it's going. Alright. I think it's going. I'm gonna do both part 9 and part 10 tomorrow. Plus, I'm gonna be making Parker's new outro. He's a kid that sits with me second lunch at the school. Yeah. Abby, say hello to my fellow viewers. Say hi. Say hi, Abby. Say hi. Abby, say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I think that's the end of the video. Credits, comments in the outro. My name is Zach, the special one. Catch you later in the next video. Jeez. Get up the stairs first. Anyways. Okay, I won't drop it. Alright, peace out.